Hey YouTube, so what does a straight piped 3-cylinder Geo Metro sound like? I got a little demonstration here. So it's my kid's car. There was a big chunk of exhaust rusted out of it. That's why I'm working on this today instead of toys, fun stuff. Big chunk of exhaust was rusted out, and so I've got it cut off past the rusted out portion, and I'm gonna patch it, throw in a new piece of some mandrel bent 1.5 inch pipe to the muffler and all that. But for now, just for fun, anytime you cut the exhaust, you gotta have a couple of rips with it wide open, you know, straight piped. So here it is. Let's see if I can get it propped up there. There we go. Ta-da! The straight pipe Geo Metro.